तो ये सारा जो ब्रू है, ये आप ही ब्रू करते हैं कि उदयपुर में ही ब्रूअरी है, कि इधर होता है कि किधर और होता है? ऊपर ही ब्रू हो रहा है। ओके, अच्छा इधर ही, ठीक है। और आपका ये बेल्जियन विट क्या है? 4.2 to 4.8%। वो अभी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है। मैंगो मतलब वो इंपीरियल विट जैसा है। ओके, so yeah, how long has it been over here? 2 years. Daily beer review time. I score beers out of 100. I am in Udaipur right now. I'm having the Belgian wit at what place? Malibu. Malibu, the brew house. Malibu, the brew house in Udaipur. I am joined by Mr. Darshan.
Oh, it's a lovely feeling to be here.
आपने show नहीं, they've not seen the show yet. This
क्या?
is new. No, we are just talking. ये सब record हो रहा है. There's no worries. You can say anything. On my
No,
show,
I
on my show, everything goes. You can talk about anything and everything.
Okay.
I'm fine. The only thing is, there's going to be copyrighted strike because Dua Lipa is playing. There's going to be songs in the brewery. Unfortunately, Dua Lipa is coming to Bombay. Are you interested in all this music, new pop music?
Yeah, I am somewhat.
What
Not too much, but yeah.
So from all these new artists, what artists do you like? Let's say like, not Indian but foreign, like Dua Lipa है या female artist, male artist, ऐसा कुछ
I don't
special?
remember the
No,
name.
like a गाना आता है, if the song comes, you're fine with it.
I love more of the old ones.
Acha,
I'm not
but
so much
Bollywood.
connected with
Old Bollywood
no,
or
even
English?
the English ones.
So like Bryan Adams or rock we're talking about.
Yeah,
Pink Floyd,
or, maybe
Beatles.
Yeah, Beatles.
Okay.
Some of the Beatles songs, and then the fun songs you had during the
Like all the funk and disco, all those type of things.
disco type. Yeah,
Disco type. Okay, fine. So first, so this is sip and smash, all right?
yeah.
So we take a sip, we talk about the taste, the flavor of the beer,
Okay.
and then I chug. I don't know if you want to chug,
I will
but, and then we review it out of 100.
Okay,
All right.
done.
So I'm just going to smell. It smells orangey. It's a craft beer.
Yeah,
It's smelling orangey. It's smelling slightly funky.
yeah, but
I hope it tastes good.
it's
The head
nice.
is good.
It's nice.
When I was saying the head is good, like it was the fizziness is good. Again, this is the Belgian wit beer. I don't know if I said that. This is a Belgian wit beer.
You said that.
4.2 to 4.8% ABV. Price I'm not sure. खाली एक से. Excuse me. 330 ml का प्राइस क्या रहेगा बियर का? मैं भूल गया. ये चलेगा. ये सब चलता है. People enjoy watching.
Okay, okay.
Me mess up. Me making a fool out of myself. It's enjoyable.
349 plus
349 plus tax. So around
349.
20. So 24%. Huh. So 70 rupees.
Yeah,
So around 420 rupees with tax for,
Yeah, for,
330 ml.
330 ml.
Thank you. And all beers are priced
The same
Ah,
price.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. It has a zing taste.
Yeah.
After sip, yeah, and you can feel a little orangish flavor.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, yeah, and
So this is
Pretty
made by.
chilled.
I have to take a video of that. I don't know if these people can't see it. I'll take a video. So there are these canisters up there. If you can see.
yeah.
So it's all brewed on the.
Brewed
It's
on
brewed
the-
over here.
Yeah, that is why it's a micro brew.
Yeah, this is like
Yeah.
they have a brew
Fresh,
master.
freshly brewed.
Fresh.
And
they put-
it has that fresh feeling,
Yeah, it has fresh. So, like for me, the orange and the spices and all those flavors, they work very, very well. Just a little bit of this soda flavor comes, which I'm not too. It's fizzy,
It's fizzy.
Yeah.
It's fizzy.
but it's getting this extra soda flavor. But other than that, it's a very, very good. I like it,
Yeah, it's
I
a
enjoy
nice
it.
beer. Nice
and
beer.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy when these local craft places do well because I want beers to pick up in India. So whenever let's say, apart from all these big Kingfishers and all, I review a new beer company, I wanted to do well. Like I wanted to get a high rating because I want more people to start their own beers. We don't have enough options of beers
Absolutely.
in India.
Absolutely.
We don't have it.
And
So-
and it's a actually see it's a very healthy drink.
yeah.
It is healthy.
Yeah, it's good for your
Gut.
not gut,
Gut, I will say.
prostate and all also. For men,
Of
for men it's
course.
good for prostate. It
But
helps you pee.
it's better than having your whiskey.
Yeah. In limits.
And
Yeah.
and what I feel the level of glycerin content
Yeah.
which you have in a normal
Oh, that Kingfisher all has it.
Kingfisher
Yeah,
all,
yeah.
that is
No, there's
No,
no.
no.
Kingfisher is sweet and it's not good at all. I hate Kingfisher, but this is a very nice drinkable beer.
yeah.
It even has a good the malts, the grainy malts.
And
The
the
wheat.
aftertaste is also there.
It's
A
good.
little bit.
It's good. I like it. I like it. I like this beer a lot. You're going to be here for 3 more reviews. We're doing. So this brewery has 4 beers. One is the wheat beer, and we'll discover the others as we go about.
Yeah. But this is a very nice.
Yeah.
And as it is, I enjoy wheat beers.
You enjoy wheat beers, huh?
Yeah.
So good. We started off with the wheat beer.
Yeah.
Now you have a good. You like this place now. It'll be like.
Mm.
So maybe the next ones will be even better.
Absolutely.
So this much though you can chug only. I know if you
Yeah.
want. Or no, see this is again if you want to enjoy the beer, you can sit and enjoy. There is no. I never force people.
No,
I
no.
chug it. That's just for entertainment again.
Okay, you chug.
Okay. Do you know what I say before I chug? Do you know my?
No.
Okay, you do it for the next review.
Okay.
I say we are not alcoholics. We are just doing it for you. It's a public service.
We are
It's a public service.
a public service.
All right.
So then I will also.
Yeah.
do it.
Okay. Fine. Good job. You chugged faster than me.
And it's chilled.
It's really chilled. I burp allowed. You don't have to cover your mouth.
No, but it gives you that burp feeling, yeah. Because you said now there is more of.
It's more fizzy, yeah.
Fizzy.
It's more fizzy. But yeah, it's chilled. It's chilled at the bottom. It was extremely chilled. It was good.
Absolutely chilled. Absolutely chilled.
But
So-
you are the, congratulations. You're the first guest who has chugged a beer. No one else has chugged it yet.
What? I can say.
Yeah, no one else has chugged it yet. You're the first one who chugged it. Although a little bit is left, but it's fine.
No, it's.
Okay, so
nothing.
if we reviewed out of 100, we scored it out of 100. Compared with everything, how much would you give it?
I will give it about 88, 90.
Yeah, it is a good beer.
88,
It is
90.
definitely
Yeah,
a-
yeah.
it's
I'll
a
get
very good
88, 90.
Okay.
How much will you give?
Yeah, so this is what again? Malibu with beer, 81 out of 100. But it's good, yeah, 88. You really enjoyed it. Yeah, you'd
I
have it.
really liked it.
81 out of 100. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's some special beer you'd like to recommend, leave it in the comments section below. I'm going to try to hit every canned beer and every craft beer locally at first, and then beers all around the world. So thanks for joining me. Have a good day.